Hey, today we're going to be remodeling this master bathroom. For this bathroom design, we decided to do a wet area style bathroom. This will open up the space and make it feel larger. As you can see, this bathroom was very claustrophobic before, and here I'm tearing out a built-in cabinet they had installed behind the door. Now for the fun part of removing all this tile in the shower. Let's just say things were getting dusty. If claustrophobic showers are your thing, then this is the shower for you, because this shower was tiny. It had like a 7-foot ceiling and you could barely move around in there. Adios, old sink. It's hammer time! I would be lying if I said I didn't enjoy this part. I mean, who wouldn't? These bags ended up being about like 200 pounds each, and I had like 5 of them. I removed about half the tile, and now it's time to take down the studs. This mold is from moisture being trapped between the pan liner and the wall. It's gotta go. And now for the last part of the tile. They had 2 layers of about 2 inches of concrete below this shower floor. I broke it up into small pieces and hauled it outside. This might not be the right way, but I found a hammer was the best thing to remove the tile. I also used my hammer drill to break up the mortar and tile. I can't believe how much material came out of this tiny bathroom. Here you can see the layers of renovations. Like this linoleum is probably from the 70s, and I'm taking it down all the way to the bare floor. This toilet flange has definitely gotta go. The ceiling was furred down, which I removed to get those 10-foot ceilings back. I'm going to be adding a faux wood beam over that 2x4 beam. And that's how you completely tear out a bathroom. Thanks for watching.